Here's how to use any controller on PC in games that do not natively support it using x360ce. Open your browser and search for x360ce. Go to the official site and click Download for all games. Once downloaded, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Open the extracted folder and right-click x360ce.exe, then select Run as Administrator. Admin access is required for the virtual driver to work correctly. Inside x360ce, go to Devices and click Save All to register your controller. Now navigate to the game folder of the game you want your controller to work in and paste the x360ce files directly inside it. Relaunch the game as administrator. Go back to x360ce, click the Games tab and add the game to the list. Then click Add Controller to activate your connected controller. Your wireless or wired controller will now work inside that game. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.